You sound like an air horn. You sound just like an air horn. That's running low on air. There you go. That's a good boy. Well, well, well. Aw, look at him. He's purring. Okay, I think you're gonna make these people friendly, so that's a very good sign. You headbutting? No. Oh. He's actually purring. You probably can't hear it, but he's purring. Yeah, you don't want to be outside. It's not good for a cat like you. Just needs to be in a home with no other cats or other FIV positive cats. Oh, are you headbutting? Are you headbutting? Look at that. Yeah, you're a people cat. Bodes well. Yeah, he's a headbutter. He's a headbutter.